Do you remember the AIB Knockout? That infamous roast show featuring Ranveer Singh, Arjun Kapoor, and Karan Johar? It sparked massive outrage due to offensive jokes and faced multiple police complaints. Fast forward 10 years, and here we are again with a new controversy brewing. This time, it's not Ranveer Singh but Ranveer Allahabadia, a popular YouTuber and podcaster at the center of this storm. Allahabadia, widely known as Beer Biceps, is facing severe backlash for some offensive and inappropriate comments made during his appearance on India's Got Latent, hosted by comedian Samay Raina. The backlash has escalated so much that a police complaint has been filed, and even the National Commission for Women (NCW) is likely to step in. But what exactly did Ranveer Allahabadia say? Why has it sparked such chaos? And what action could he potentially face? Let's break it down. Hello, my name is Tejas and you are watching Lokmat Times. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest stories. So what happened on India's Got Latent? Ranveer Allahabadia appeared on the India's Got Latent show alongside popular creators Ashish Chanchlani, Jaspreet Singh and Apurva Mukhija. During the show, Ranveer posed a highly controversial question that left audiences shocked. He asked a contestant, would you rather watch your parents have sex for the rest of your life or join in once and stop it forever? This vulgar question did not sit well with the audience. Social media soon exploded with outrage, calling out the tasteless content and demanding accountability. A formal complaint was filed with Mumbai police against Ranveer Allahabadia, Samay Raina, Apurva Mukhija and the show's creators for allegedly using abusive language and promoting offensive content.
ये जो शिकायत दर्ज की गई है मुंबई पुलिस कमिश्नर के सामने, जिसमें कि ऑनलाइन पोर्टल्स पर कुछ लोगों के द्वारा महिलाओं के खिलाफ काफ़ी अभद्र टिप्पणी की गई है, जिसके पीछे उनका साफ मोटिव है महिलाओं के बारे में ऑनलाइन पोर्टल्स पर गलत और अश्लील टिप्पणियां करके गलत तरीके से उसे रिप्रेजेंट करके पॉपुलैरिटी कमाई जाए और उस पॉपुलैरिटी के थ्रू उन्हें पैसे अर्निंग हो ऑनलाइन पोर्टल के माध्यम से, जो कि एक ऑफेंसिव पार्ट है। इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए एक शिकायत दर्ज की गई है और ऐसे जितने भी पोर्टल्स हैं इनके ऊपर कड़ी कार्रवाई करते हुए इसे प्रतिबंधित की जाए, ऐसी मांग की गई है। ये शिकायत जो है मुंबई पुलिस कमिश्नर के सामने और इसके साथ ही साथ नई दिल्ली की जो राष्ट्रीय महिला आयोग की अध्यक्षा है, महाराष्ट्र राज्य की जो महिला आयोग की अध्यक्षा है, उनके सामने ये बात रखी गई है।
Among those who voiced their criticism was renowned journalist Nilesh Mishra. In a lengthy note, Mishra called out the perverse nature of the content, saying, banal, crass and insensitive are words only for boring, uncool people. These creators can say anything in the name of freedom of speech and get away with it. Congress spokesperson Supriya Shrineth echoed his sentiments, stating, this isn't creative, it's perversion, and we cannot normalize such behavior as cool. The fact that this sick comment met loud applause must worry us all. Former NCW chairperson Rekha Sharma has reportedly forwarded the clip to the National Commission for Women, urging them to take action. Even Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has weighed in on the matter. He emphasized that while freedom of speech is essential, there are limits that must not be crossed.
देखिए, मुझे भी इसकी जानकारी मिली है, मैंने अभी तक उसको फर्स्ट हैंड देखा नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत भद्दे तरीके से कुछ चीज़ों को कहा गया है, प्रेजेंट किया गया है, ऐसा मुझे भी पता चला है, जो बिल्कुल गलत है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच सभी को है, लेकिन हमारी फ्रीडम वहाँ समाप्त हो जाती है जब हम किसी और के फ्रीडम पर इंक्रोच करते हैं, और इस प्रकार का इंक्रोचमेंट ठीक नहीं है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभिव्यक्ति इसकी भी कोई मर्यादाएं है। हमारे समाज में हमने अश्लीलता के भी कुछ नियम तैयार किए हैं, अगर उनको कोई पार करता है तो ये बहुत गलत बात है। अगर ऐसी कोई बात होती है तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
On Monday afternoon, Mumbai police reached the Habitat in Khar, the comedy club where the controversial episode was shot. The big question now is, what action will the police take? Will this spark a new debate on content censorship or be a wake-up call for creators?
My comment wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte. I'm just here to say sorry. Many of you asked if this is how I wish to use my platform, and obviously this is not how I wish to use it. I'm not going to give any context or justification or reasoning behind whatever happened. I'm just here for an apology. I personally had a lapse in judgment. It wasn't cool on my part. The podcast is watched by people of all ages. Don't want to be the kind of person that takes that responsibility lightly, and family is the last thing that I would ever disrespect. need to use this platform better. That's been my learning from this whole experience. I promise to just get better. I've asked the makers of the video to remove the insensitive sections from the video, and all I can say in the end is I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me as a human being.
We'll be tracking every twist and turn of this story. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are jokes crossing the line these days? And don't forget to stay tuned to Lokmat Times for all the updates that matter.